So anyway, Nige, you saying that I've made the right decision going back to the TRK. It's only for your audio pleasure, isn't it?
It looks good from the front too.
So do I.
You're an ugly from every angle.
Love you too, Nige.
Do you know what would have set that off really nice though? Was gold fork stems. Gold fork stems.
I was thinking of a young 26-year-old bird with big breasts.
Yeah, but they cost a fortune, don't they?
You do. Okay.
Until she flops her dick out and it's bigger than yours.
And there's that as well, yeah.
Right, listen.
Now then, we do need to consider fuel.
Did you say consider fuel?
I did.
I've got 155 miles left.
I've done 139 and I've got half a tank left.
And I've got 147.
What, left?
Yeah.
So mine, when I'm riding sensibly, is better on fuel than yours.
Well, no, I probably had less because I filled up and then I went to meet Steve out at Ash Hill and back. And I haven't filled up since. What have we got? We have got... I can't see. Oh, we've got 91 miles left to do on the road. Oh, that's alright then.
Oh, cool.
You stop if you want.
No. I thought we had far more miles to do.
That crept up on me. Trouble is, it dived into the shade and you can't fucking see it.
No.
Tell you what, we've hardly seen any fucking traffic, have we?
It's great,
No,
isn't it?
that's what makes it such a good route.
Yeah, what a cracking route.
We've only had that one little straight bit of dual carriageway and the rest has just been like this, hasn't it?
Yeah. Now we've got BMW up the chuff.
What, car?
Yeah.
You're going to be a dickhead then.
Well, I think the next stop will be the cold drink stop.
Yeah,
That
that's a
sounds
good
like a
idea.
plan.
Good idea.
Why would you not want to ride a motorbike on a day like the day on roads like this?
Is it Mars Duo?
No, because a Mars Duo...
Oh, fuck me, that's worse than fucking Jan without fucking donuts without fucking...
Well,
Never satisfied, is he, Nick?
I know,
Never
I did consider
satisfied.
it, but a Mars Duo wouldn't fit in the bag. I say, what a nice church.
Isn't it?
Very nice
gothic.
church.
Very gothic.
Fucking hark at him, Steve, and there he was whinging about fucking time team talk.
Yeah.
Witheridge. That's lovely, isn't it?
That is.
That's lovely, see? Look at this, this looks Parisian fucking... Oh, no, you'll get locked up.
On the left.
You'll get locked up.
You dirty old man.
Yeah, you fucking will
No, I
get
was
locked up.
talking about the bloody pub, you perverts.
Lucky liar. I was talking about the pub on your left, me lad.
I object. Impressive. Thank you. Guilty. Pay the cashier.
Have we actually been over 60 today?
Only once.
Yeah, not a lot.
He's going to say it again, isn't he, Nick? Why would you need to go any faster?
Yeah.
And then all of a sudden, that's it, I'm off.
That's it.
He getting it. I mean, it's like we've said before, isn't it? 211 miles, but when you're doing constant speed like this, it's that soon fucking... There's a beer tent, Steve.
Yeah,
See, we've come into no man's land from the other way before.
we have, yes. Because I remember saying there's a no man's land in the New Forest.
Yeah, because we come through Black Dog
There
and all
is a
that
no
last
man's
time.
land in the New Forest.
Yeah, yeah,
You are
yeah.
correct.
There is, yeah. And a pub called the Lamb.
Ice cream van! Stop me and buy one!
Surprised Nigel hadn't fucking led the BMW down in the middle of the road.
Now, would you have just a whippy or would you have a 99?
Oh, 99.
What, with a Mars Duo sticking out the top?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, 99 with a Mars Duo, please.
I'll tell you what, that would hit the spot now, wouldn't it? A 99. I suppose that's the drawback of coming this sort of route. Is it short of
Civilization.
hijacking? Yeah, short of hijacking that fucking ice cream van. Has he got a phone call?
No,
Oh.
no. My glasses were slipping down my nose.
Oh, were they?
I think because my nose is sweaty.
There's me thinking he was just being quiet so you can hear.
You let me know when that 100 miles is up. Oh, you fucker. Right in them tram lines. And then you can open it up for a bit longer.
511.
You can get more of it.
I'm not going to get it today.
Yeah.
Well, I've got 511 and we've got 84 miles to go, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Till we get lost.
I was going to say,
Oh, yeah.
give it time.
But they do say it's only a rough mileage, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So I'm sure 550 is
Well,
close enough, isn't it?
Yeah, because they'll fucking service it at 400 odd, 500 odd.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it's not on a fucking timer, is it? It's not a switch inside that suddenly says, oh, everything's okay now.
Yeah.
And besides, think of all the ex-demo ones
You can imagine
Yeah.
hitting
that
600
they sell
miles.
on without any worries, any
Thrashed.
concerns. I mean, you thrash the fuck out of.
I was just thinking, you can imagine if you could hit 600 miles and it goes, okay, you've got full power now.
Well, exactly. Right, isn't this nice down through here? Beautiful.
You're saying that because you're looking at all that timber you could make a profit out of.
But you're right, it is lovely. Hey, Tiverton. Oh, I wonder if we could stop. You know where you turn right, Steve, just after the bloody... here we go. After the multi-storey car park, you turn right to go up over the canal road.
Yes,
I wonder if we could stop near the canal.
can do, yeah. Because you've got the Canal Visitor Centre, haven't you?
Yeah. It's a Sharpie.
Just a Sharpie.
Oh, lovely.
What a
Just kept
dreamy-
giving. Just kept giving. You're clear. Still clear. Still clear, mate.
On by.
Nice left-hander. It's just come up with a thing that's taken my map off of the screen that said no notifications. Well, if there's no notifications, why fucking tell me there's no notifications? You
Well,
fucking piece
That's
of
like
shit.
having an alarm that goes off to say everything's okay.
Yeah.
I could.
Well, if we have a crap road all the way home, I don't care, because it's been a great morning.
That has
Yeah.
been some superb roads, hasn't it?
You know,
We
still
just got
already.
Pick our way through the shithole.
Yeah.
and then take the canal road.
But with weather like it is, it might be a scenic shithole.
Just want to point out quickly that van across the road. Now they reversed that off of that driveway with a piss poor view. Now watch what happens next and imagine if he was reversing when this happened. Can't you remember God, you fucking arsehole.
That's bad, isn't it?
That was
It is.
fucking
Right on a
stupid.
Especially with those two vehicles driven onto their driveway. Any one of them could have reversed out
I
on
was
it.
just going to say, the last time we came down here, can't you remember one was reversing off of there? And I actually said, what a fucking, you know, you'd think they'd reverse onto the drive.
No, Nigel.
Eh?
Not this way.
Isn't that-
Rang.
Where are you going?
We're going
Where are
round
you going?
again. We're going round again and up to the next one.
Hello.
Right, now we're going right.
That
Now
tickles
we're
eye.
going.
It was nice of you guys to go round and around about to let me catch up. Yeah, say hello, guys.
Right, listen. I say,
Hello.
do you think she needs a hand with them?
Yeah. Talking of a little tangy taste.
Oh look, motorcycles everywhere.
Look at that, not a spot of shade.
Put them up, put them up. Let's reverse in there.
Might as well swap batteries while we're here, aren't we?
Just as well.
You do what you like, mate. I'll slot in wherever.
You watch, he's going to park right fucking close to me.
Lean over onto you.
Lovely.